Hi everyone, in this video, let's learn how to create this pregnancy filter trend video on TikTok. So all you need to do is to download these apps on your phone, whether on your App Store or your Play Store. So we have the Face Play and CapCut along with TikTok. So let's begin with our Face Play app. Now in here, you'll be able to get that kind of pregnancy filter. So just choose here and take note, choose those filters that are free to use, because you need to upgrade to premium account if you wish to use all of the filters. So let's start making this by tapping that plus button. You can choose your face, whether camera or choose from your albums. It's up to you. So once you have chosen the photo from your gallery or your camera, then all you have to do is to tap continue, and then you have to watch an ad for you to get it for free, and then just wait for it to finish and tap X button, and then wait for it to process, and there is another ad. Just wait for it to finish. But if you don't want to get that ads, go premium. So you have here, you can now save this with no watermark. Just tap that button on the bottom bottom left corner, or you can share it directly to any other accounts you have. And for you to save that without mark, you can subscribe to remove, or you can watch another ad. Wait for it to finish, just exit if it's done, and now you have to wait for a little while it's removing and exporting. And now it's saved on your gallery. Let's go to our CapCut and find that pregnancy template, comparing your first picture to that pregnancy filter, and just tap use template, and on the first part select the normal photo that you have, and then the next slides will be the pregnancy filter of that picture. So if you're done, then tap preview, and then if you're done adjusting, you can tap the check mark, and then you can now export. The upper right corner, you can tap on it, export your work. And if you wish to save and share to TikTok without CapCut template, you can tap on it, wait for it to export, and now you are directed to TikTok. You can add sound if you wish to, then click next, and then you can now tap post for your followers and friends to see your pregnancy filter video. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.